Yo, what's up guys? We're in Budva today. Budva? Budva Old Town. We're gonna go to the beach, check out the beach. The drive here is actually fun. There's a lot of turns like serpentine roads. And yeah, my daughter is just buying some Oreo ice cream there. Yeah, we're gonna check it out and see. We are in the old town of Budva. See, they have this potato stuff if you want something that is cheap, like jacket potato style. They also have Moritz ice cream here. Yeah, this ice cream brand is really popular in Montenegro. So if you guys here, check it out, Moritz. And this is the local dog. He's just there. Well, he's local, look. What's happening, bro? So there's two entrances, the entrance there and the one that we just came through. So jewelries, restaurant there. And one thing that I see a lot in here is like pizza. It's really popular here in Isam. Souvenir shops, t-shirts. Here the pizzas. Oh, margarita, Sam, your favorite. Sam, I have margarita, 350.
See, I was right.
Is it an anime store or a souvenir shop? Souvenir shop named Luffy. So there's actually loads of things to do here. I can actually see that there's a beach there already. Ice Ice Baby is bubble tea or ice cream. You have bubble tea, ice cream, coffee, everything here. You can also see the architecture here, almost similar everywhere in Kotor. These stone houses. Okay, thank you. That's so cute, Sam. Look. Yeah, what flag is that?
I think this flag is France.
What flag is that, Sam? Can you tell me? France. Oi, France. Bro, they have Olympics right now, yeah? Look, this shop has like some ruins underneath it. And it's a shop. That's mad. I've seen a lot of actually jewelry shops here. So many. Huh? Look at this. That's nice. This is another square here. She's beautiful. You have like a restaurant, coffee shop. Then have this cool place here. Look at the tower, clock tower. They seem to have a lot of clock towers here, innit?
Yeah.
Like every town we go, there is one. This is the first time I've seen like cactus here, Sam.
The first time.
In this, no, here. There is. This is the famous citadel. So in the citadel, you can see that there's a museum, library, panorama of Budva, the ruins, symbol, and some restaurants. Do you think? Oh my days, that's a tune.
And also because I'm just like a beginner class.
Okay.
Yeah.
A wonderful world. So there's a beach there as well. What is he doing? Yes, thank you. Nice one, Sam. I don't know guys if you see that one, you can actually go, is that paragliding or so there's just this part here. There's a little beach. That island there is called Hawaii Island. Yeah, you can go for a trip there actually. And then we were there on the other side a while ago, remember? Also I've seen that they have a lot of corn here. What they do? Like you know in Kotor as well. Shades. This is the way to Morgen Beach. Sam, can you do that pose, Sam? Ballerina. As you can see guys, it's really busy here. Yeah. This guy is just chilling by the rocks. He's sleeping. Sam. So do you think it's worth going there?
There are people there, but I wouldn't say a lot.
Like for example, look, there's people on the top there. You see? We are now in Morgen Beach, and as you can see guys, it's pretty busy, but it's really cool. A lot of people are having fun. I'm like using the pocket tree right now, but I'm a bit scared because it's not waterproof. But I just want to catch this moment with my daughter, so I have to make sure that it's above water, you know. And we are in Morgen Beach. Yeah. Sam, 1, 2, 3. Nana, na 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 na. This is the neighborhood we're staying at night, and there's some restaurants, bakery, coffee shop that is still open, and right now we're staying in this place. I mean eating at this place. Say hi, Sam. Sam, hello. We're just having dinner. We're just waiting for our food. And this restaurant is by the church, which is really nice. And suddenly there's a lot of people. A while ago, there's naala, look. So that's the restaurant, and it's by the beach, which is cool. So we just had a swim and have a long drive to Budva, right? Yeah, and yeah, it was like an exhilarating ride. It was actually took us
Like an hour maybe or more? Probably not.
yeah, but luckily we're in the motorbike, so we were like able to skip. Otherwise, we still be there in it if we were in a car. What do you think? Yes, my straw is floating, bro. That's like me when I'm swimming. This is how it looks like with the DJI as well. Not on the night mode, but this is like its low light capability. Damn, as soon as I step out, the food is here. You didn't even call me, fam.
Yeah, I tried. I was like this.
I was like, how are you like? I was like this. Cool. Enjoy. Ah yes, fish, salt and pepper. Sam is being nice today. Look, she's serving me with Peppa. Peppa Pig.
No, I just wanted a chance to.
You just want to what?
I just wanted to use the things.
Oh, stop being kind. You just wanna use the condiment thing. Eh? It's like a massive burger.
I can't even bite into the meat. It's so big. There you go.
There you go. Look, you've been trying to save my straw from falling, and now your straw is falling, so you can have my straw. That's how nice I am. What do you think?